Hi everybody, I was gifted a new electric cooktop. It is an induction cooktop. This is great if you need extra cooking surfaces for the holidays, if you don't like to cook stinky things in your house and you cook in your garage, or if you're going camping. So for induction, you need a certain type of pot. This is not going to work on glass. It must be magnetic. So it comes with this magnet and this sticks. So this will work. I have this pan, this sticks, this will work. This will work, and even cast iron will work. So you can use a lot of different pots and pans on here. So let's move the camera, look close up and see how this works. Okay, so the controls are really easy to use. You can turn it on here. You press and hold. I love that you have two separate controls for both sides. You have 9 levels. And I also love that you have this timer function. So you press the timer and then you set how long you want this to cook. And you can keep it on for up to 99 minutes. And then it is cooking. You have the lock function, and then you can't change anything. You press it again to unlock it, and then you can adjust whatever you want. As you can see, this heats up quickly. You get a nice, reliable heat in your pan. Excellent for cooking. Love the timer function, and this is so easy to clean. You can just wipe it off with a damp towel. Okay, this is a quick look at the bottom. It's on 4 little legs, and the cord in the back is nice and long, so easy to clean. It is glass and metal. I love the automatic shut off, the child lock, the LCD display, timer function, and those super easy to use touch controls. The dual heating zones are amazing and really come in handy when you're trying to cook 2 different things. Love induction cooking with that hot plate. It just makes everything so quick and so easy. This is great whether you are cooking in your kitchen or in your garage because you don't like the smells, or maybe even like on a camping trip, or while you are tailgating. Whatever your purpose, there's such a wide range of uses. Really loving this, and think you will too. Check it out.